So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So we have Brit boyfriend, my people, banga and guan, everyone, my people. So our family them stop him from go see Brit. You see me? In the hospital, my people. You see it. And we feel say that F up still. Because him are the one we get her which part she there. When Una try how long and can't get her there. You see me? And if we go do this, so we are gonna get in that with people and hear what exactly go on. You know what I mean? We also have the Lion Man at this up IQ, and also, you know what I mean, I ask Rosealee. I'm ask Rosealee again if GX not embarrass her she, yeah, something like that. We don't know him ever try for this Rosealee. You see me? So we are gonna get in that with people. We also have, as me say, we have Brit boyfriend, you know what I mean, I explain certain things. And we have Shibada, you know, my people. I don't know Shibada cover everything what I'm seeing at the media and give him opinion. You know what I mean? So I don't even remember exactly what Shibada talk about. But I think Annie Unite. Let me see what else. I don't remember. But we are gonna get in at that also, my people. And we have Shay I get bring down in the wickedest way by Brit man and one of his friend. Anything me left out, we're not gonna see it in the video. So we get in it, you know, my people. So I could kick it off.
Same face, the boy is sad.
Sister the app corrupt. Sister the app very corrupt. The app stink. Me glad me not play with me not That's why me tomorrow, me come, me look, me not blood clot with a stinking app here. Cause I guess so you see me's a drunk, you know, but me staying at the ear. And when me some of them me picture ground, but them drunk or whatever they are ground, them a problem. Them family are big drunk. Nothing no name so with them. Brittany family spell back where. Brittany family spell back where one. Yeah, one blood clot. Crazy. No favor drunk. No load of blood clot boy. Wanna talk all kind of things. Wanna talk all kind of things about him. I no found no want a man like Zozo for blood clot care about you know. Zozo say when he must sleep Brit a call him and him have to chat to Brit. No found no want a man like Zozo. No move no man a soon upon this blood clot but I am out to no little money. No remember. So now for strong pan ya if you never blood clot give it. The man them near money down like a chichi over here. So when you see blood clot Zozo, I take care of sick head girl. No wish it was uno. In the comment section, and just a write, and just a chat. All the one when name Sam, we shoot down blood clot Zozo and you over so a chat Zozo. All you want a life. You want a blood clot life. I mean, some of them wish that the Zozo take care of them blood clot and I keep them company at night time when the app lock off. Cause when the app lock off, they're miserable no blood clot. Cause certain time I be a China day over here and blood clot Nigeria. So we have to put on the phone.
Yeah.
Them want a man. You know, want a man who care about you know.
You
Can't talk to me. I have my old boy in here. Have my old boy.
Alright, you see, if Zozo never mean Brit no good, him would feel no way about not seeing her. Them telling her not to come, telling him not to come, him would feel no way, guys. It would touch him. And since even when I come home and turn on my life, I see Zozo face. I say, no, the youth are hurt. Yeah, him a hurt. hurt. Him hurting. And at the end of the day, him is Brit safe days. He makes her smile.
And look at the boy bumbo clad shirt. That the boy say yesterday, the boy say him carrying the phone and the things. And look at the boy blood clad shirt. Look at the boy pussy clad shirt. The boy not collect no money from you. The boy dey on the app in turn on him blood clot live and him beg. And him say I go buy some like things for blood clot Brit. And him like come and him show a video. Auntie I know you know go Western Union yet. Auntie, I know you know clock some yet. Auntie, move your dirty blood clot. Can me have auntie you know? Me have auntie. I know good auntie. See all of you will say your auntie, you want to have two before you know your blood clot face. Hey, Brit couldn't be my cousin. Let me get for chew up on a dirty blood clot. Come me no back from nothing. Anytime I chop in my lap, I deal with it. I move on a corruption, blood clot out in our family.
Sister, what I want to understand, you know?
Yeah.
Would I like to know if Brit not have wider scale family member? Because I can't just that small one that what she live with. Want to the rest.
Oh.
No other family member.
Oh. You say you're not even blood clot. No. Me never know so this a happy with a ton so.
Nobody know that if you come stand up for her.
I the same one them will fuck her up. Want come back come help her with same fuck up. With the same fuck up cause them never come for help.
You hear what David say? Them they are the players and them come with them long hand. Them not come with none of them. And them David come with the food, them and them don't make the girl get the food and the girl run there hungry.
Really?
Yes, you never listening. Them got there before the family member them and they were there waiting. When them look them come with one list with a talk about who and who for go in. And them don't take the food from them. Him end up have to leave with the food so Brit don't get the food. And them come now with them long and them not come with the food, you know? Them not come with no food.
Alright my people, so what Brit family do right now and tell the people them to stop Zozo from CR, that mess up in our way still, cause if him genuinely love her and him do this from the kindness of him heart and the love him have for Brit, it a go hurt him people. You see me I say, because it's when you love somebody, you go on there around them, you go on see them, nothing nice like when you're there around the person that you love. Seen and for them black him, I know and him don't even know when Brit a come out if can't see Brit. You see me? That I go, you know what I mean, make it dog feel away. You see it, but you see social media, nobody is genuine on social media, and at the end of the day you have to protect who you love from the people them on social media, the vibe of them, the wicked them. You see me I say, me don't know if this youth are genuine or not, but him actions them speak. Say yo, this youth genuine, and them say actions speak louder than words. Him make sure get her everything what she want. Him get her in the facility in the first place. You see me, him get her everything she wants, snacks, everything. And you hear say the family go there and them diva carry nothing for her with them too long, and so them block the person who I make sure so she get what she want. Yeah? That mess up still. Cause enough people that look on you and say, yo, a family them are rare. Family fuck up too. You see me I say? Cause Brit and them never did a live good. You see me? So me know say more while circumstances make you and your people them not live good still. You see me? And when them want for Brit act better. And this I go help out Brit, so maybe them I go draw close to Brit because she there at a place where she I go get help or whatever. But me know want to think my people when I go hear from Zozo, it's so extreme part.
Them not come with no food, but at the end of the day, them not want the girl get the food. But me tell me I promise you, no click no live pan blood clot TikTok about you no come out. But una look this for Brit. You get the bring down on the life, we dig up everything phone and bring on down too. Yeah. I will not support you over this. Can you push the youth aside? One person will come for sure I look love. What I do? Wanna give him a chance, no? Give him a chance. Make him show who him is. And him do it. Give him the chance. Make him see if him really genuine. Give him the chance. Uno ready, uno just push the youth aside and no say the youth make the girl happy. When 1 year I sit down and watch Brit on the app, sit down in a room, guys, hold on there and see. Nah talk, she didn't not say thank you for Rose. She not even not say thank you, she don't want to play with no ranker. She hardly accept matches. And him take her out of house and bring her, you know, long bring no Brit no go up on the beach. Who do that? Cause of them somebody she want that she used to. People chastise in the family down a mobile, she girl are walking in the town. All I can hear a mad girl Brit. All I can hear mad girl Brit. You think
listen
up in my community I make nobody look down for my family? What wrong with you know? The girl I get the help what she need. Uno been saying somebody for help Brit and somebody came along trying to help Brit. And the first thing you do is push the person aside. That's all you could do, push the person aside. Why you never reach out to him? Try to reach to him and say, Zozo, we sister you try to help her and we're willing to work with you and her. Willing to work with you.
I can't understand when them tell me so them afraid of her. I can't understand when them say them afraid of her and at the end of the day them beat her so. So come on, family member, we want to come back with Noah. Oh, no afraid of her and no beat her. When you're not ready, you no gang her and beat her. So you never grab her, come together and grab her and carry her as it are. You no drunkers. You no drunk with pitch. You no drunk stay at ground. You know, means a drunk me stay in the ear. You no go suck on a mother. What the blood clot do no? You think you can fool you over here?
Right now, uno another family where we Brit for have. Uno another family.
You go suck on yourself.
Uno another type of family where Brit for have.
Me David said, me eat them. And that's some me.
And him feel it. Me say him sit down, you can see it pan him. You can see the downness pan him.
When me attack,
you can see how him sad. Yesterday, hey, you saw him go look for Brit and come back. You can see the light pan him face. I'm glad for see her. And him glad for know that she get the necessary help or she forget. You see today, but can see say him all a sweat because him sad. Yesterday when him come back, him would have this anything we call Brit name. How you mean? I support him. Anybody call a girl name, fix them. What you mean? Cause of that she want somebody to support her. She want somebody to love her.
And stop watch the man bomber clot gift them where I get. No stop watch the man blood clot gift them where I get. Him get up all time blood clot bed like the whole of uno. And I beg. And him we soon swat him money I spend. Stop watch the man blood clot money on a crowbait on a bomber wall uno. Fuck uno. On a drunkers. Blood clot, you don't know. What more? I feel like him deserve every dollar. When him done buy what Brit for buy him for spend on him blood clot self and drink a spliff and blood clot. I wanna watch people blood clot. What do them a get nobody now watch food no? Eh? Wanna bag of blood clot vomit. Auntie, I know me no see a clot nothing yet in a dirty auntie. Auntie, I know me no see.
People, me don't know if you say want to leave or comment, because you see at the end of the day, you say if you're not married to a woman certain way, you see me, you don't have no say so when it comes to certain things, or family them have the say, you see me, so anything where family say goes, and there's nothing Zozo can do about them not wanting him to link up with Brit. All him have to do is just wait it out until Brit forward back a road. But me feel like say people are going to still support him anyway, you see it, because them know him genuinely love her, because them say actions speak louder than words, and him action them been showing. You see, me not have no reason to believe say boy him a do it, you know what I mean, out of some other reason. You see, than love. You understand what I say? But let me know what you think. I watch some more.
If me call you dirty, me not apologize about clot. Me not apologize. Dirty auntie. Apologize to who? You're crazy. Me ear turn on blood clots.
You didn't know I say Zozo wipe out Brit, cut out her head and put look dressing on it?
Oh, you mean it depend on fire you? It depend on fire you. Them blood clot seeds.
I him do it. Me I tell you say bro, take care of the girl. Hey family member, hey. So what on the family member when you know see Brit wear 10 piece of clothes. Brit walking a big blood clot, maybe a ton of 90.
Them not see that. Them never see for them in them blood. All the two sisters them throat must be sore because at the end of the blood clot here, them never come out of them house yet. One blood clot night. I walk it.
What on the sister? You see the girl will come and say, she know the sister. You say if you're on the live now, I make the fake page and you come on the live now, just say add me. Just say add me. When you make the car, you say you're not going to use that page. You come with the other page you make it. So when you come, just say add me. If you're there, you say add me, I'm going to add you. Yeah, because we want to hear about that sister, yeah.
Denisha, them bumbo will sleep comfortable. You know, sister, them must sleep comfortable then. Them bumbo will sleep comfortable at night time.
Yeah, me say, I don't know. Me not understand. Me just not understand. Some family member. I'm gonna tell you something. When people are on their lowest term, Tamara, sometimes you never have to give them nothing. All them want is just a little tip of love. Just a little tip of love. Them want. And hope and Brit get a little tip of Zozo than love. And she never itch. The day when him play the match with her and play 35 match, it was just a little tip of him love she get. And she couldn't even wait for the day done for meet him. Hey, I want two family member. What do you know? What do you know about love? What do you know about real family and love? What do you know about family love family? Or them treat them family? You think say family could have loved Brit and Brit walk up and down in a mobile? Who would get the necessary help long time? Because Brit next to rubbish bin. Because she not reached there yet. So you could have do and have to do. But not until somebody was sure they love do it, you already know if you can push the person aside. I want to know. You think we're gonna make Zozo than company up come richer for Brit? No. But him sure love. Him sure love. And if him for richer for Brit, he deserve it. Because I know, based on what I see, him alone not gonna enjoy the riches. Him a carry with him. Because him do it without money. So why would they do it when him rich?
You see, me tell you so, I know the boy real. I mean, ever say Zozo real to blood clot. You saw him dead, And him said, all time control. Me hear him said to him said, chat, call such and such. Me need it, this bigger than me. Me need some help. Who does that? A person will care about your blood clot. Cause the man come out and say, him alone can't do it. And me see them all a good conversation. Yeah, him come out to him chat. And him say chat on a call such and such. Because at the end of the day, this bigger than me can't manage it. I wanna deal with the blood clot boy like this. I wanna man. I wanna blood clot. I free money wanna watch. Yes. But I can't bear for see me get the gift them over there. Yeah. That's the problem. Yeah.
And that alone to your sister. I'm gonna show you what I'm on. When guys remember when Zozo meet Brit have no internet. Wanna come here no man? Remember no man, she never have no internet. When them carry out on the dinner, you know. When them carry out when him for the first time when him carry out. Before remember saying before him go back home and say to her say she need her internet bill for pay. And you tell me say 1 year the whole no living as family member and Brit now no internet. Not even light. And I run up on them and come tell the media say on our family. Hey, one thing would weep on the media. We love Brit. Yeah. Wanna get that right. Wanna get it right.
Sissy, you see if the family member them, let me tell you how me know say them family member you know have nothing about them blood clot. And I come talk about our family and go suck on yourself. Guys, let me tell you what me know say them family member you know have no style. Them have a sister like Brittany will run the app for so much years. And them sister Brittany fall off. And I do a little foolishness them and I do a little madness them. And none of them never yet one day turn on alive or come in a Brittany live and say, guys, I'm me a Brit sister and I'm Brit want help. Guys, she need help. Make we hear una say that and Brittany behave how she want behave. We never hear una yet. We never hear una give una company up and deal with all them way there. None of una. We never hear una come and tell we say una sister need help. So how the fuck una come now when I talk about how I lie myself from yesterday una create a blood clot cause of me, you know. And from yesterday una bomber whole family create a cause of me. Yeah, remember when she put the life on the bread and then beat, and she beat and then beat her. The bomber hold them remember that hey, TikTok could not sleep.
Who? Hello. I don't know anything about. I kind of feel this for Brit. I am so happy that she's getting the necessary help, but I am also sad that she can't. That one person. She can't get facility to see him or come for help her, you understand? And at the end of the day, you as family members, you shouldn't have fight Zozo. You should have got help a police or support. Why not go get police and go look for the ex for the car in her head? Not even that me not sooner do. That's enough for you do, you know? And sure we panel TikTok say you love her, so not defend her. Why not do that?
Well, my people, me feel like say Brit family, them have them reason why. You understand? So whether them genuinely, you know what I mean, care about Brit or them a pretend, cause at the end of the day them a family, you know. How long can they, you know, vibes far? How long can they not like each other? Seeing them are gonna come to them rescue at some point, and me feel like say them just forward to Brit one cause them feel like say this youth here not genuine. right? Because them know say a be fake people there on social media. You see me? And them have a right to speculate, you know what I mean? And try to get her away from certain people who them think say boy is not good for her. But to see him take up him and bring her to the hospital and them where they and him start the pro, you know what I mean? So why would they want to do that? You see me? But Jano still. But don't make me know all the thing when people are watch someone then we are going to go over Zozo and hear what he must say.
Why don't you go do that? Why don't you go get police and say alright then? You no bust up my niece head. You no bust up my niece head. Why don't you go do that? Because that person will do that for God jail. But no, you don't do that. You don't do the opposite. You don't stop the man with a help her.
Them come together and if them did real, Zozo, where you did Zozo? We are going to go to hospital, you know. Zozo, you know, we're not left because when Brit say she good. Yes, them not, that means your sister, them not love Brit. And some of them are blood clot. Look, and we are girl, we in the street, long blood clot, and we know them things there. You see me? So guess what? You can't run the person where she really care for and really she find comfort in that person there. And that person don't fear call and say, yo, Zozo, where you there? We are going to hospital, you know. Yes! You come blood clot go like you a good family. Like we don't know a good family, boy. You can't fool a drunk here. Cause me,
original people in back.
No, you did the pan,
request. What you ask about the situation?
The what view?
No, them no want that fear. Them want, I guess guys, remember them fuck up, no matter what them want say. And them help stress out Brit in the yard they too. Cause them nyam out the whole of the girl TikTok blood clot money when she have it. And then them same man turn around and beat her. Or the little brother will beat her. You remember?
Yeah.
Them nyam out the whole of the girl money. And then them turn around and beat him so it must stress her blood clot. But you should not have the thugs in her. Yes. Cause all this a blood clot girl them couldn't play with me now. Eh.
Guys,
play with who? On a mother. On a mother. On the talk about 40 days and 40 blood clot night at 36, at 365 years me though. Me not play with blood clot people. Oh, what's that when me I defend my blood clot self? Me not cure you out. Oh, suck on yourself. Move on a blood clot from my ear. I make those, yeah, the boy telling for logo in blood clot shirt. Eh? When I hear the boy telling for logo in pussy clot shirt, and that him say. When I logo in blood clot shirt. Yes, my sister, go on, I be last place.
No, what me I say is, it just rough, yeah, man. It just rough, man. I just want. I'm tell him, I don't want him give up and I want him go there, I want him go bleach pan them blood clot too, you know. Make them see me, you know. I want him go there every day, see him way, you know. Make them see, you know, make them. So yeah, tell
no, mute.
Mute, little, mute.
Alright.
Q love, no, we don't want Zozo go there, no. We don't want Zozo go, we don't want him go. We want him to go, but he have to protect himself. This bigger than Zozo. He have to protect himself, you know. Him love Brit and him do the right thing. But if the family say them don't want him around, it's best for him not to go, because they will put him in a trouble. You know, no, it's like, but we have to pray say Brit get the help where she need, where she can come back to her senses and know say who, you know. You know, make no sense him go and then them, you know, that can put him in a trouble. Because this is serious, you know. Him not going. This is serious. And the family know exactly what's wrong with Brit. They know what's wrong with her. They know what's wrong with her. So a lot of things are going behind the closed doors. So it's best if Zozo just stay away. It best if him just stay away. If they don't want him around, better him just stay away.
So you're saying to stay away until she get better?
Yeah, better if him stay away because he can put himself in some serious problem. Based on what happened, he can put himself in some serious problem.
I mean, feel like so, sissy. She soon start telling him, so where is so?
You feel like him not genuine?
Yeah,
No,
where is
he's not genuine, but he have to protect himself at the end of the day. You understand? This can go really. This can go
from the grudge might them.
Yes,
From the grudge might
Brit,
them.
you know, is it right now? Brit is not in her right state of mind. So it's like what? So Brit don't have no control over herself right now.
Nah, sleep.
It will play.
God, nah, sleep.
She don't have control over herself right now. So if the family are saying they don't want whoever our caretaker, whoever are with us, you know, our power of attorney, whoever make decisions for her, they don't want him around. And it's some legal situation. Best if Zozo just stay away. Without saying too much, better if Zozo stay away because they might put Zozo in a problem.
Right, like them.
Me did think I want money first time.
I see him something.
Yeah, me did think I want like.
So I share this him and him friend and this cinema people. Zine, hey, me not lie still, you know, me love Shay eyes them, you know. Shay have some nice pupils. You see it, me not lie. But me I go tell you know people, Shay could have passed one of them transmission Monday. Big woman thing. Yo, she just born with too much testosterone. You see me? She need to get some estrogen and feminine up her look. You see me? She need to go up under something there, like what Destiny depend. You see the hormones. Big one thing if she want to look more feminine. Cause she look manly still. Big one thing, me not lie. But she look good same way. You know what I mean? As a woman will look like a male. Let me know what I think of people. What's some more?
Call, where you call them Candy and them people, the brother. That's a
All
normal
one
one.
mongrel dog look better on him.
I swear to you.
All one mongrel dog look better on him. Just remember that. Hold on. I want on the belly full. Go and sit down, man. On the sleep. Go and rest. Go and rest. Nobody get up. I don't phone no time yet. Rest. Go and rest. Go and rest. I don't phone no time yet, man. Rest. Alright. Dirty dogs shit them. All transgender them.
Dog bed, that's what you say, my brother. Believe no man. Dog bed.
I think that roadside them.
Believe man.
Yeah, man.
I bought me in a dog when me can wake up in the morning and I can hear say mama come in a chattings, you know, brother. Everybody a continue on the life, you know, bro.
He might talk about Ray. And as I say, all him body come like say, is either shot the man or something. But come like him and fuck him all in his nose, make his nose look unbalanced. One of his nose them look deeper than one. One look like deeper than one.
Come like a indent.
Come like him and give him one touch before he go, skirt.
I'm most to blood
We have
clot.
blood clot people in platform now. All nasty girl, go ahead.
Come down, brother. And stop shit up your app, brother. You need to come down, brother. Come down and left your girl, brother. Come off a girl name, bro. You see me? That's it. Look how much somebody on TikTok.
Is a transmission doing body? Is a transmission doing body?
I try to
Is
turn
a
him like that.
transmission? Yeah.
Brother, when me look pan him face, when me look pan Shay face, all that tough,
Uncle
brother.
Shay.
Nobody can tell. Him have to go show me
Uncle
pick the
Shay
picture.
for true chat. Uncle Shay name.
Yeah, man, Uncle Shay, man.
Within two before
Tough
face.
like a blood clot. Cement.
Stuff like 1, 2 before. Black and sun rendering. Everything.
Blood clot.
More long like one Land Cruiser. Boy. And then hear this man say, I know a man will look like donkey. Yeah, man. And his name is Uncle Shay. What is it? Iha. Oh, donkey face, blood clot, girl.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. The whole chance.
Dirty girl, you rev out like one of them blood clot hangers there. You rev out. Dirty girl, your clutch car mash up. Boy, your back rim bend up, dirty girl. Your bearings them lick out. Your handbrake rub out now, so a foot brake you use now. A foot brake you start use now, dirty girl. Go from yourself. You want some proper this spot now, dirty girl. Pampas whole girl. Boy. Dirty girl.
No friend from them, dog. No bumbo clad friend from them.
Uncle Shay. In our kitchen where for the cook. Yeah, the shit. Nasty girl. Go ahead.
Corruption,
Dirty
man.
big mouth girl.
Corruption, man. Believe me, my brother, man. Here.
Man royal. Go ahead.
In transmission self.
Yeah, do what me do and beat me. Do what me do and beat me. Because I come like say, and next year you go come to Jamaica. And next year you look like you go come to Jamaica.
How's Jamaica, man? Now come now, I just be chatting, bro. Just be chatting to people looking and say, wait, she is such a good person. I go come in from foreign, come a Jamaica, come help Brit. Now do a blood clot. Now do a ras, man. I chatting alone, man. Them just want to have it out every people say, bro. You know how much things also do want to know about, brother? You know how much thing me do want to know about? Whole heap. Because I'm not chatting. I'm not chatting do it. Action do it. You hear me I say? And them not do no form of action. They just want to involve in a chatting to keep it relevant, brother. Them but say a screen record and them to keep them relevant, you know, man. So that them want, brother. They no care, say. It's a girl who really need help, brother. And she have somebody around her where show her love. Real true love, brother. When nobody else now blood class show her. When you still go find way for eat pan her, brother. When she receive love and I try to say her love not genuine and rare. When the girl happy, brother. I know when the girl sad and meet in an accident charge. The whole of her show up now I come a blush. And I come a I try to bring down. You see how no fuck up? You see how no fuck up? You know human, brother. Bro. And you know it's not human, brother. You know no heart.
That's the end of the day, bro. Bro, yo, David.
Yeah, my brother.
Show how me I do it, bro. Me I do it from my heart, bro. Me not feel no what me do for her. And she me I show her loving.
So me no know that.
And she want feel the loving. And she me I do it for. So me not do nothing in go tell people so me do this for you. Me I do it so in can have an understanding. So yo, this is why I care about her.
Exactly, my friend. Exactly, dog. Not that they not understand, brother. They not look on the friend that they side them, my friend. And that's what I know say you, they not nothing of them, brother. Everything what they do online. They never do nothing offline what they not bring online, brother. That's what I know in a real. Yeah, man. That's what I know in a real, brother. Because they can simple link Zozo one away. Zozo they run every day, brother. You see me? And say, oh, Ersker. Once you make your food or whatever is Zozo make you reach Brit. And then when Zozo come pan like Zozo make you know say, yo, that connect, you know, man. You understand me? But I goodness I no want, man. And if you stop this a fucking corrupt, brother. You see what me I say? Everything when I bring for me, the brother, when I want to see how things stay with the girl, brother. But when me look for Brit, when me see what go on, dog, and Brit head bust up in a brother, a tears come on me eye, you know. And when me call Zozo.
Alright, so Zozo say a long time he want look Brit. You see me I say? And him finally get her. So if you want something how long and you finally get it, what you gonna do? You gonna take care, right? You gonna make sure say yo, you have it right through and you have it in the best condition. You see me? So right away, me feel like him genuine. You understand? Him want to make sure say Brit in the best of health, firm in our meds and something. Right? Me lose my train of thought, me did go talk about something. I may lose my train of thought, but people want to tell me what they think in the comment section. You know what I mean? Because on a level, me feel like say most people just come around Brit for grab. You see me? And until she reach a Jamaica certain way, me I go feel like she did genuine when it come to Brit and the situation. Because them have a saying thief no love to see thief with long bag. So maybe people are look at it say, okay, me did want to do Brit this. You know what I mean? So, because this person has step up and I do this, well, you know what I mean? Are the same thing them want to do as me. Seeing so, them are going to have everybody as the same thing, like everybody a thief, everybody a come for look something from Brit. You understand? But this youth just seem genuine to me. You know what I mean? If him not genuine, well, he man are good disguise. Me not like it. Make you watch some more people.
Zozo up on the phone, and even Zozo me I talk to. You hear me I say, I know Zozo me I talk to when me call him man on the phone. Him man sound different. Me can hear say man mash up. You know me I say, and when I come online and I can look and me see the happiness and the joy upon someone on the junk of face, brother.
Nah, I'm gonna do that again, bro, because everything's solid right here, right now, with it right now. You see what I say?
I watch you, Mr. One listen to last night one screen record, me have wonder if you over there do the place, so.
Which screen record that?
Mr. One page when named Jayden with Fear DP that they shoot down the place over there last night. So I don't know if you can, but far you me there watch it.
No, Jayden. Jayden not really have no money right now, so I can't Jayden. Jayden never did look over there, so. You see, Jayden then a female lane. You see, I go and kick some ball game and I'm front in the night, and I go and enjoy himself, you know.
Oh, okay. It look like something go wrong, man. It look like something go wrong.
Where you mean look? Where you mean go wrong? What go wrong?
To me soon usually go along, you look like some boy. He take something for you where you really like. Make you want him back in your couch or in your place, in your tabernacle. Like a something he take for you. Cause to me soon in a red gown, in a jacket and how much me I say, boy, this looks serious. Uno make your place collapse one night time. The two all champagne me soon I drink and I say, Jesus Christ. Rosealee drop out a top pocket and then sitting there. Me from buckler, turn off a rank and much sitting me I say, no sir.
Yeah, that boy,
I wonder.
Moody!
Jesus Christ.
That boy I want mix up, you know. Yeah, mix up, you know.
No, I wonder still in the car. You know what we are wrong, now?
Yeah, we are wrong, now. Yeah. Well, I saw you going on my father. Yes,
I'm from last night, I didn't see you on the road last night, you know, so I have to wonder why I go and car. You know, jagga, no man, just believe.
No, man, I did the right in front of me yard, that's why I kick some ball game with me and my dog. I drink some local Hennessy. And I go out with a vibe, you know. Never did I watch. That watch what go on. Them enjoy themselves, you know. There with full moms I go on easy with self, you know. The focus on the right thing, man, my father is it. Just like how you did it. And I focus on Brit and I try to help Brit. I see it. And that we did
that means a boy something alright, you're alive, man, you know. Yeah. And last night, so you just missing all of a sudden.
Yeah. Me never did want to really start no problem last night, because if we did come on last night, then my team would have want to do something where them are going really hate the fuck. You see? And we should have do it, you know.
Yo. Me know say you're outside last night and the drag of them and sit down on the counter and go and beat one Hennessy. And I look for a man and I kill it teeth like I say, boy, a long time when I get to eat. A long time when I get it. Go, man. No fear style, man. No. Jesus Christ.
No, I'm a
fan. Yo, your turbo still, you know?
You do what?
No, sir.
17 rows.
Jesus Christ.
17 rows. Nah, man, I up with them on my father, man. You know, see how life I go on good right, that's on my father, man. You see it? I don't really want, remember say me a King Solomon too, you know, bro. You see? We get over
yeah, King Solomon.
17.
Jesus Christ. Come in, chat. Focus, chat. Focus.
Come on, my team.
So Wrangler.
Yeah.
Are you decorate your J up on your fridge?
No, man, I'm mom's it, man.
No.
Mom's it, man. No bother.
Where's your mom's active in our place?
Active in our place, man. My God, man. Active. You see it. Active.
Wash out the plate earlier, man, and then sweep out the house.
I mean, sometimes me do it, she will do it, but she keep the place nice and comfortable, you know? Like a clean woman, you see. You know, like woman we do in a bowl and left them we see it. That's why I say woman fi hide and shit and them things. Them things they really turn on, man. And, you know what I say, bro? If you are going there and see one shit, yeah. But we not this nobody. We not this nobody. So, yo, let's move on. Let's move on, bro. You know what I say?
How did that wrong, lah?
What?
Oh.
How was girl?
Yeah, you know something here already. I say I want to go come to that focus on right there, sir.
How was girl?
Oh, I want youth and human, man.
You must feel that way.
Feel that way, boy.
They ain't have no woman beside you, brother.
I just saw you go, man.
So Zozo, you're willing to take up, you're willing to wait for Brittany and no fuck no girl, no other girl?
So no wait, me there wait.
No, me I ask you for
Wait, me there wait. Yeah, you know, since I'm willing, so me there wait same way.
Alright, so before Brittany, when last did this fuck a girl?
When I can't come ask me a question there.
No, me just ask. No, more know, like, more really want to know. Cause
you can't know that one, man. Yeah. Go and fix your business, man. Go and get yourself active. Go and get yourself active. You understand? Try to talk about why you turn off the ranking last night and sit down over there and watch Fabian shoot down your place. And that, me know say you jayden, that's easy, no, man. We know say you still get the buff. You see me? You still...
What?
You still there.
I won't go find time to get that.
Press panic gloves and shoot, chat. Press panic gloves and shoot.
Never.
Press panic gloves and shoot.
Port up, machine. Port up, my people. Port up.
Press panic gloves and shoot. Press panic gloves and send anything on our send.
No joke machine, man, but otherwise from that, big up yourself, though. You see me? Big up yourself.
Yeah.
No joke.
Believe, man, bro, man. Big up yourself, said here, bro. Big up yourself.
No, come on.
Where going on? Yeah, Nicky with the rose. No, nasty.
My people, you see the devil approach you as a friend. He not approach you as an enemy, you know. You see me, I say, if not approach you as an enemy, you know what? Nobody but Shay, you see me, in my opinion, tell the family to stop that youth from Brit. And what Shay I go do, you know, I take advantage of the situation. That is just my opinion, because why you guys are fight against each other? That more I know. Why Shay I fight against this youth here? Because me not really see him a fight against Shay, no. Me see him a defend himself, right? Why she do that? If it don't work for the one common goal, why would you want to fight out the next person? And it won't work for the same common goal. This youth here saying want to see Brit healthy and alright and good. Seeing you say you want to see Brit healthy, alright and good. Him dep on the ground where him can move around, go link her and everything. You there at a different place. So why wouldn't you team up and work with that youth if you don't have an ulterior motive? And that's that more if you know. You see me I say? Because he might carry things, go give her a snack and them something there. Which way she gonna need something to go and snack punch, she gonna need comfort certain way. Some people find it in a food when them they at a place where, you know what I mean, them have no interaction certain way and them limited access to out a door and them something there. So them need food to comfort them. Most people do that. So why you not make this person get where him get for her? Why you try stop him? Why you try block him? See, me don't know my people, but this look away to me. Me don't know who genuine and who just in it for the gain. You understand? But me know what to think my people. We watch some more.
Pretty, big up yourself. Keep beauty.
People begging us something, begging us something, begging us something.
Why not here?
Yo, me J.
Keeping it.
Yo, me I play some music,
Wednesday.
yeah? I play
Let's believe, man, Shani, man, isn't it? We wrong. Let's believe, man, them pass wrong, man, let's believe. And again, man, they more than pass wrong, isn't it? Yeah. Let's believe, man. Follow them girl, you know. Yeah, man. I mean, I'll have to go double check. Yeah, man. All nasty girl. You know, worry himself, man. I don't know what they did there. Let me see. Do you know for some people, because I want to go sorry and then go say me say wrong thing, you know. You see me? Yeah. They now go in, man, just believe. Nah, say nothing more, man, everything good, man. And I like they not see it, you know. Big up to my supporters and big up to my tappers, them. She say, yo, Ray, you know. Don't see it, man. They don't see it, me say. And I like they not see it. They don't part. And I like they not see. The whole of them see and know, so anytime Brit come around me, I love me show the girl. Anytime Brit come around me, Brit always smile. Brit never come around me and leave around me vex. Brit never yet come around me and leave around me vex. He always leave with a smile. Brit always want to run me. Me don't know what I'm going to do to me either. Or what? But he always want to run my chat. Just believe me. Always. That girl always want to run me. All much o'clock at night when me I try to get some sleep. I she that I call me. More me have to say, God know you. That's so that moms I love me for real. Yeah, man. Lay down all in my bed. Say me I take a 5. You see me? Tell us some people. Some man I feel like you. Let me look on you again. Roachy, big up yourself for the wheel. Yeah, man, believe, man. Me say, oh, that girl, deal with me. Me say, me have to love that girl. When you sit down and talk to me and he twang on the phone, you know, he talk already. And me there, I say, boy, God know me laugh you, and I say, boy, mom's not easy, you know. Then the day I see whole heap of time. Every day that God sent that girl, I want to come over and yard on the stream with her. To show her girl where it's feeling. And I said, Jesus Christ. So I know that he's a good man, you know. In real life. So I don't know how them two girls they come go on like they don't know some love their sister. I don't know how them two girls they are going like them blind to the situation too. How them a move like they don't know say yo, sister love a boy, you know. How me can just know say yo, sister love a boy, we go let the dog do the right thing. We go make the dog just do what him have to do because the dog don't do it. No know what them a meds out. I don't know what them a meds.
Yeah, I'm here with you.
No, so I think I want like a piece I could have get now. I don't know what them are meds.
Hey, my people, you know, me feel some type of way about that situation still, you know. Because, you see, when you look on it, my people, you see love. Love is a different thing, you know. You know if you play with love, you know. Don't play with love, my people. You see, when a person genuinely love an next person, do not play with that. Because you see, love are the most, like, whether I say, you know, divine thing. One of the most divine thing. Make you know, say, yo, the Almighty is real. Because love is something where you can't really explain. You see me? And it's something where you choose. It choose you. Because at the end of the day, you can't fall in love with anybody. And then you tell when you're going to fall in love with that person there. You see me? It happen naturally. Seeing, and you don't have no control over it. Zine? So, why would you see somebody in a relationship and you in a relationship too, you know? So you must know what it feels like. Seeing, and you are going to bar that person in a relationship with the next person from seeing the person who them love. Both person love each other, you know. You understand? So why would you try to sabotage that? That's why I tell you, say, yo, them people here, them play with people life more while and me no know, yo, mankind, me could have never.
Them did and say and know say yo, me nah take nothing from Brit. Me nah take nothing from Brit. So why think negativity of me? Brit come around me having things and pan me having money and Brit never lose nothing around me yet. None of my friends them are a thief. None of my people them are there around me are a criminal. None of them are a thief. Everybody work for what they have. Anytime mama come around me, mama love all my people them. Mama love all the people them are there around me. Just to show you. But me tell them, man, don't worry on yourself, man. Just go and do what you want to do, man. Go and do the thing, man. Yeah, I not say nothing at all. See how I upgrade boss upon.
I mean, up and running.
I'm going for Queenie. No, I'm going for Queenie. I'm going for Queenie. I can't deal with you right now, Jayden. Let Queenie go. Oh shit, I can't even open the door. Can you help me, please?
No, let me find.
There's another one? Okay. Hold on. I can't deal with you. I'm going for Queenie. Oh my god, you can. Hold on, Pinito. Yeah. Queenie. Yeah. Power the cup. Hold on. I want to do it. Jayden, I can't fix the.
Me hear say Roy did a wine pan woman and Roy face did look away. Roy look like him never want no woman for wine pan him. Look like a Roger or Derek or somebody else him did want wine pan him. Me couldn't know from now. A true guys, but me know if I true. Me don't know if I true, but just with Roy Hawks if I true. Roy gone man, Roy a swim around. Roy a swim around. Roy a fish. Roy.
Jayden, man. It's messy. Can I have some tissue? These people are not even listening. Wow.
Queenie, me now lie still. Me now lie still, Queenie, but Riley that sucky ice cream better than you.
Man, you can't get a sucking competition. I say we should have suction more.
Me a go win you.
Why you must think me a Christian? If your boss a Christian, me a Christian. Your boss can't tell me what to say. Me could suck it out now, so who can zoop up more?
It depends on what you want to suck out. Melo.
Pinedo, hold on. Say something, Pinedo. What Jayden there? Oh, you have to. Jayden, say hi to my mom.
Hi Jayden, how are you?
Hi, mommy.
What's up with you, Jayden?
Say Yvette there.
Yvette, lock up your foot, Yvette. Yvette, lock up your foot.
Jayden, me need to come find you. Where video with me and you do the ears I go there? Where there?
A long time I not see it, a long time I not circulate. You want me to do one more?
Yeah, man, we need for the.
What the video? Jayden, they are Jidal. What the video there?
If you don't go on, mommy, you're good?
Alright, not big time.
Mommy, you got a fresh door, mommy.
Thanks.
Listen, me and that twin. Mother and daughter.
No, mommy look better than you.
Look at it. Look better than me. I choose her by the necklace and the earring.
No, she look better than you same way.
Jayden, I choose her by the necklace and the earring.
She look better than you same way.
You say she still look better same way. Okay, we're busy. We gotta go. Okay, later. All right.
Swim around. I look, mix up him around for me now. I look, mix up, you look, dog shit around from. Dirty dog shit, Batman, rock you. Dirty rock you, batty boy, rock you. We know your fish. Cause we see in the blood clot video. You don't want to wind up on a woman, we see your face look uncomfortable. You see it, rock you, raw sprat, raw fish, raw swim around.
Hey, my people, you see life is a lesson, you know, and life is a teacher, you know. You see me, I say, and you see naturally if you really pre-nature, you will understand life certain way, you know. Them have a saying where them say, don't go where you are tolerated, go where you are celebrated. You see me, I say, you see enough people go where them tolerated because them afraid to be by themselves, them afraid to be alone. You see me, I say them love company, them love validation. You see me, watch out my people. Them have a next thing, what I call you know, I can't remember the word feed, but yeah, them have a thing where them mother say, when me see a man like him, I say him have 2 cars, seen, and it's like him have a older model car, seen, and it's like it's somehow like him give him daughter it, and you know what I mean, him daughter drive it, and him daughter says she don't like the car, and a bunch of things, you see me. But when she pull up with the regular vehicle them, they like the regular cars them or something, you know what I mean, new this, new that, if your car look out of place and she not like, say she have that the whole car there and but guess what, when she pull up with the vintage and the classic them there, for your car is a masterpiece. You understand me? I say because it in the right crowd, the right league. And me say that fi said this. Right Q find him company, you know. Queenie are somebody will now go put you down. Queenie are go lift you up. Queenie are go give you, you know what I mean, a vibe. She are go put out the, you know what I mean, the best self. All when things are going with she and she sad. And you are go enjoy her company. So just know, you don't have to go with the hip crowd. You see me? Go where you are celebrated. So make you watch some more.
Where you mix up there, guys? Where you mix up there? Rosealee, let me see if Rosealee have look mix up, guys. Rose now look mix up, you know, my guy. You know? Over there, number one. Who the number one? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Wagwan.
I'm here. What's up? What's up with you?
Nothing.
You alright, you man now?
No.
You so late me tonight. What going on?
Override in our box.
Eh? What is that?
You go override.
Yeah, me did override and not reason, but if he like him now have a reason with him because he know what he do.
But hold on.
I want somebody to do for you. Because I did them over there. To the crew. I perish. So I am. So I am with the woman. So, what's the name? I'll get what I read it. I make it them is I'll get a salute Shirley. Then I put him them top of there. Roma. He just can't go. He just didn't do Mommy.
Right you. Why every time you go, right you, all you say you're no fish. And every time you go, me say with Derek. What's up with that? What's about that?
So why y'all watching, man?
Because we can't do anything.
You're jealous?
We can't do anything.
Like him?
What?
You like him?
I like everybody.
So you like me?
I like everybody.
Rose, I feel like you want to ask me something.
Yeah.
Yeah, what I feel like you want to
Ask
ask?
me something.
Yeah.
Which size blush you want me to use when it's my turn?
Which size you have?
I can get a bigger one for you.
No man, ask me something, man. Like you know, yeah, you really want to ask me. Me feel like you want to ask me something, like you know.
Like what? I asked you already. What?
You know, ask me nothing like you feel like you want to ask me.
You know what? I asked you a while ago.
But Rose, we don't want to talk about. We don't want to talk about that.
I don't want to talk about it either. But you said ask me a question.
We don't pick a size 10, you know. So how you think, how we look right now? How we look right now? Like, we feel like we look nice, you know?
Miss Abby?
What?
There's a question of your heart. Yeah, Miss Fabi? You sure? Guys, come here, try 16. He do him a lie. Brush him. Be nice. And by your life, them left over a bunch of years, you know. They can't be trusted on TikTok. Right tour now. First triple chat. That looks some gift. Me can't about the right story. Chat, right? You still alive? Right, you still alive, chat? Jayden add right you. So go call him. He will come from you are calling.
So him not come when you are calling? He never really want to talk to me, you know.
Tell him go call him, Jayden. Call him. Say, tell him go call him. Tell him for, chat, go tell him for Jayden. Tell him for Jayden, chat. Come on, Jayden, tell him for him, no man.
Them a go tell him, man.
Nah, see him at all. Him in a box. Right, he mo come in the call him. Him in a box.
Nah, chat,
Add him.
Nah, accept.
Try it again.
Nah, accept.
That's
I said no vacancy. So Rose, what's up with your argue? You like you rate him?
First triple chat.
Come on guys, use a first sip here. What do you mean big C thief for money? What are talk about?
First triple chat.
First sip guys, Virgo. Long time I miss something.
Guys, I got top 20. Bye! Okay. Mrs. Zandra boss it, my love. 60 nuggets! 60 nuggets.
You know what, my people, enough about your IQ. We are going to go over Shibada, you know, and hear Shibada I say, and then we are going to end the video.
Strat.
What kind of over this palm, my Father God?
Remember what kind of over upon you?
Jesus Christ. What kind of over?
Me hear Zandra bust it up on IQ, but boy, left him alone because...
But me need somebody for call over Destiny to and tell the landlord to move the cupboard from over the stove. Move the cupboard from over the stove, and me don't want Destiny cook nothing with alcohol and it go flame. Me don't want that. Night auntie, you're very pretty though and mannerable. Yeah. Chrissy now send me request. Chrissy go make me no wait for man, you know. Ask my man them a prison, me no wait for them. I'm busy out the road, I run my hole like a robot or a rat patrol. My ear want wash. Me have some clothes to wash, but through the machine she not able. She just a jump, so like she a cheerleader. I'm afraid. As I put the clothes in the machine, I get drowsy. I wonder if alcohol in my clothes then. As I start washing, I get drowsy. Top 5 your favorite carnival costume. None of the carnival costume they don't look good. I just Miguel alone look good to me. Nobody else look good but Miguel. Me nah lie, Miguel alone look good to me, God believe me. Tantanisa look good naked. That's all I can say. Based on what I say, Tantanisa look good naked. I can't tell about the cardboard them with Shavan. Yeah, for sure. No, I don't see the costume look good. I don't see no costume look good. Number one, TC should have never danced because I can't see her after. And then through Rebel Body compact, you know, like your stuff a storeroom. I can't tell it's a Rebel look good. Roger black here, then you walk a look man one down. Everybody a black here, you walk a look man, Roger supposed to black here one down. Yeah? No, for true. Miguel are the only one, Miguel are the only carnival me say. Honestly to God, I may not be biased, and this has nothing to do with Batty talk and them talk there. But when I look on carnival, cartel concert bigger than it, and Miguel are the only one me see in the road that dance in a gold uniform. Nothing more. Not more. Miguel look good and he really enjoy himself and the boy have him move. Miguel, let me tell you the truth where God love before God and all mankind. Just live. Miguel, just live, and in your living, remember God. That's all Miguel. Just live, Miguel, and remember God. Nothing more. Cheers to the freaking weekend. Right to the end of the week. Sorry. Yeah. Just live. Yeah, Miguel. Just live. If tomorrow morning me get up and one shot bad boy, always remember that you are living. Just live. Here, don't stop living. Don't stop living. So a man dead pan life there. Just live. Live, Miguel. And in everything, just remember, say, God is able. And God is worthy. Here, people did bash him for enjoying himself. After Miguel not feel away, remember I got through it already for Miguel. So Miguel could have never feel down. Miguel could have never feel down. Then if me did their carnival, what would I have been doing? What would I have done? Huh? Remember me don't get the bash for everybody already, so nobody not supposed to feel no way now. Jamaica bash me first. Yeah, you always remember say Jamaica bash me first. Miguel live, and in everything remember God. In all of your folly, your mess, your uprising, your goodness, remember God. Just that's all. Not paying nobody no. You're young, you're active, you're energetic. Enjoy you. Enjoy you. Enjoy you, Miguel. Now make nobody rain for your parade or steal your shine. Enjoy you to the fullest. Here and in everything, be careful. Just be careful. Here. Miguel, get a costume friend. I did one down. Go wash off the cheese off of your dirty cocky. Go wash off the cheese off of your odor. But like Miguel, I don't know. You see me, Miguel, and TikTok police, we are triplets. Ask anybody. I can't unseen the three of us. We are sisters. We are Charlie's Angel. And the real Charlie's Angel. I'm not ask you, me, Miguel, TikTok police, we are sisters.
Alright, my people, when you come to the carnival thing, seeing me see some of the carnival marching and and to me, it was a perfect, you know what I mean, march. You know why I say that? Because you know have too much people, it never did pack. You know what I mean? I just the perfect match where people can move around and them not lackluster, if that's the word for it, I think so. When you queen jump in a one look apart and a fight through crowd for move, you know, get to enjoy yourself. It place it just spread out, people are jump and a dance and and one thing I have to say, I don't think that you should go to carnival if you don't have on a costume. That's just my opinion. Yo, the costume them, it make the people them we are wear it look different, especially if them have a little bump. You know what I mean? If them have a little bump, I mean, I tell us, I see some girl, then clean yo, then clean. Their skin clean. You see me I say? And the costume just make them look better. The people them wearing regular clothing like them cut up a little shorts, nah, it don't look appealing, it don't look presentable. But you see the people them in the costume, yo, me I tell us them look damn good. It just make the thing look uniform and proper and more, you know what I mean, upscale certain way. You see it. But me feel like say yo, it better with less people. You know what I mean? Because I can just imagine like even Trinidad Carnival or something when the people them pack up on the road and them wear it. You know what I mean? You are so stinking people in a crowd and plus the sun go hot and them wear it. You know what I mean? Nah, me not like crowd that much, so you see me? So make a watch some more people.
Now ask you, let's do a favor. No, honestly, we favor real bad. Jayden, you know this, we have the same face here, so yeah, and the whole of our mouth wild. Yeah, it brought out a proportion, it brought one different way, it brought like animal. For sure, we resemble, but you know what I mean, come last though, because Miguel first, TikTok police second. In a beauty, this, you know. Miguel first, TikTok police second, and me, if somebody else come in, you know, me not keep third. Lord, my beauty just weird. Three of us must do a commercial. Then what are we, and she come and live and come to Kingston and live under filter. Me don't think of Kingston, no say Annie they gonna live. Me never know say under filter. Then what are we, one man go on the live and say, then I saw you kiss your mother and Annie catch feelings instead of light. Then Annie you come in and then what are we, you class Zuma man and tell Zuma man about how you own and how Zuma man this and how Zuma. Annie me not analyze a batty body you suck many shit off of the head. Me not tell you no, like there is nothing where you can class Zuma man. Cause everybody a laugh after you and you come and talk about say as a big woman, a young boy look at your old tight. Annie, the amount of jacket will come through your old you never use none of the needle thread and store back. Tell me the truth, you know say you did forget for stitch. You did forget for stitch, Annie. You are come and talk about Zuma man and Batty man. Then you don't know TikTok police or move from here so Russian roulette playing on your pom pom. Russian roulette shit a go give you gas. Shit dude is going to give you gas, Annie. I mean I ask you and Zuma man me of course you find about a little bit of out of order. Everybody frightened for the TikTok police and you. We're not in a lie, we don't look like Return from the Living Dead or The Walking Dead. We're not in a lie, we don't favor Tales from the Crypt. Annie, go do your teeth. Go and do your teeth. Annie, you have to live under filter for your big woman. Remember say you look more droopy than me under the NSA. And you come at remember your man love lies and no you're not abnormal. All your daughter and her man laugh after you and your relationship because I can't say your man. I want to take you, Annie. I want to take you. Annie, what left the two on be, you know? Not even microwave can warm up on without stinge. Me not tell you like, you don't look like bacteria. And you come and talk about Zuma man this and Zuma man and you're old. Annie, go home. Go home, it's too far for your run. Go home, Annie. Take your time and go home, Sister Annie. You can't pass here. Take your time and go home, Sister Annie. Yeah, come around, you kill your daddy in a relationship. The boy want your account. Him want suck you worse than how him suck blinga. You think say you are gonna get well like how blinga get well? You think say don't pass you think say you ever can ever came gas station like blinga? And him sorry for you. And him can't like how you smell now the tears me and wait pan. Then you did things in a relationship you come with till death do us part. And you must have fibroids in your blood bridges that gonna kill you before the police. And then you really think that this is death do us part. Then I need things that this have a life, you know. I'm happy for you. Low key. I can't go above the norm. I could never. No, then shading, I need to really think say this is happiness. No, go on that pipe. I'm drinking water that go on that pipe. Walk this so. Squeeze the wheel on the right there so. Squeeze the wheel on there, man. Yeah. You too lie, goody. You too lie. She a ball worse than Queenie. Hey, my love.